Good morning everyone. Welcome back to MSc online class of class 4th. Priya here. Hope you all are doing good. Students, I am going to teach you lesson number 5, A Lamp to All. Its explanation already over, so before starting exercises, we will have prayer. O God, help us to grow in wisdom and in age and in favor with God and man. O God, help us to grow in wisdom and in age and in favor with God and man. Students, I want to tell you about this lesson again, and this lesson is about Sanal. He is studying in class 4th and he is the best student in this class. Once the headmaster called Sanal on the stage and he said he is the pride of this school and he is a blessing to our country. The teacher and the student cheered him and gave a loud applause to him as he came up to the stage. The headmaster said, as he is the best student in the class, he learns his lesson well, he keeps he respects his teachers, and even at home he helps his mother. In the playground he is always friendly and kind to his friends. And now today is Sanal's birthday. I want to make this birthday a memorable one for him. I declare him as the best student of the school for this year. I gladly invite Sanal to receive the award now. The students welcomed the announcement with a thunderous clap. Do you know why? Because Sanal was regularly giving an old man a lunch packet. And none of the students had ever thought of helping him. All the students have seen an old beggar sitting and begging at our gate every day, but none of the students came forward to help him. And he is the only one, Sanal, who brought an extra lunch packet and offered it lovingly to the old man. Now come to page number 27, our exercise part. First one is let us remember. Saint Chavra said, the day without doing something good to your neighbor will not be counted in the book of eternity. Second one, Dalai Lama said, our prime purpose in this life to help others, like Sanal. And if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. Now come to the question answer part. First one is, write down any 3 qualities of a student who is your role model. A student should be obedient, disciplined, and punctual. Student should be obedient, disciplined, and punctual. Second one is, why did Sanal bring 2 lunch packets every day? Sanal brought 2 lunch packets every day to offer to the old man lovingly. Sanal brought 2 lunch packets every day to offer to the old man lovingly. Question number 3. Write 3 good qualities you find in Sanal. Sanal is friendly, kind, and helping. Friendly, kind, and helping. These question answers you do in homework. in your copies in a good handwriting. On page number 28, let us discuss what will you do in the following situations. If you find a purse on the road, what will you do? Next one, a beggar comes to your house. He is hungry and asks for food. Third one, you meet your teacher on the way. Fourth one, after supper, your mother is busy washing plates. The dining table is not cleaned. In these situations, what will you do? In first one, you should search that person, or you find the address of that unknown person and give back to him that purse. In second situation, you should offer him food. In third situation, you should first wish your teacher. In fourth situation, you should help your mother. Students, in next video, I will give you the answers of these questions. So first you write with your own. Now come to page number 28, matching as the following. Hands to do good, legs to walk around doing good to others, eyes to see the good in others, tongue to speak good, heart to love. Once again, hands to do good, legs to walk around doing good to others, eyes to see the good in others, tongue to speak good, heart to love. This exercise is also you do in your copies in homework. Now, last one, let us reflect. The greatest gift you can give to someone is your time, your love, your attention, and your concern. The greatest gift you can give to someone is your time, your love, your attention, and your concern. Thank you, everyone. Keep learning and stay safe at home.